Hello, I'm Søren, CPO and Global Head of Customer Experience and Solutions. Building on the tremendous success of this year's ALM Summit in North America, we're excited to continue the momentum in 2026 to bring you the latest advancements in the SAP Cloud ALM world. Join us from April 13th to 16th, 2026 in the Philadelphia area at SAP's US headquarters in Newtown Square, Pennsylvania. Explore the potential of AI-infused ALM and see how these meaningful use cases can address your daily challenges in implementing and managing your systems. For those utilizing SAP Solution Manager, we'll feature dedicated sessions designed to support your seamless transition to SAP Cloud ALM, ensuring you stay on track for innovation and success. You'll discover how our integrated toolchain featuring SAP Cloud ALM, SAP Signavio, and SAP LeanIX can drive business value and enhance your transformations. Our customers and partners will join us to share their success stories with ALM and discuss their individual journeys with our product. This 3-day event will feature over 75 expert sessions designed for ALM practitioners, IT leaders, business analysts, project managers, and anyone interested in the future of application lifecycle management. This is your opportunity to connect, learn, and collaborate with industry leaders and peers. Strengthen your network, gain actionable insights, and align your organization with the latest trends in SAP Cloud ALM. Join us at the SAP ALM Summit North America 2026 in Newtown Square, Pennsylvania. Secure your spot today and elevate your ALM journey to new heights. Looking forward to seeing you soon.